An investing platform eToro announced today that it's teaming up with Twitter. The partnership will allow users to see live charts when searching Twitter hashtags and have the option to click through and invest.
Twitter teaming up with eToro to let users.
Halo sahabat Pioneer Dunia, jumpa lagi, salam sehat sejahtera. Kali ini kita masih bahas informasi Pi Network. Semakin banyak perusahaan besar melirik jaringan Pi. Seperti kita ketahui melalui pemberitaan di sebuah televisi Amerika. Amazon adalah salah satu sponsor dari Pi Network. Perusahaan Tesla akhir-akhir ini diberitakan juga ketertarikannya pada teknologi Pi Network yang dikenal ramah lingkungan. Berita lainnya adalah Twitter mengumumkan telah bekerja sama dengan eToro, perusahaan investasi multi-aset kelas dunia di Amerika Serikat. Dan ternyata Pi Network juga telah lama bersama eToro. Dan bahkan salah satu pendiri Pi Network yaitu Vincent Mike Philip pernah diwawancaranya pada sebuah channel TV. Hal menarik bukan? Berita lainnya adalah Wall Street mulai khawatir dan memikirkan teknologi blockchain. Serta dunia para pebisnis, para investor, dan perusahaan-perusahaan mengalami peningkatan permintaan akan aset digital. Sehingga dampaknya memaksa lembaga keuangan mau tidak mau mulai mengkaji memikirkan untuk mengadopsi aset digital dan perlunya penggunaan teknologi blockchain tersebut untuk dapat bersaing ke depannya.
In blockchains, I think that we need this technology more now than we ever have before. And at the same time, I'm being realistic about the challenges of really demonstrating the power of this technology to everyday people. I think that the holy grail is basically what I think we're trying to tackle with Pi Network, which is true mainstream mass adoption and true utility, which is why people...
Themes were talks about inflation and how that weighs on the economic outlook. They were also talking about the war in Ukraine and that weighing on deal-making activities. So amid all of that, something that got lost is that a lot of these big names on Wall Street were name-dropping blockchain technology in their earnings results, which is very unusual for these big financial institutions who not long ago would shudder at the idea of crypto or blockchain. The CEOs of BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan all mentioned that they were scaling up plans around digital assets. So you had Goldman Sachs CEO David Solomon mentioning during a call last week that they expect that crypto and blockchain will cause significant disruption in the way that money moves around the world, which is a big, bold statement there on crypto from Goldman. BlackRock's Larry Fink, who once called Bitcoin a money laundering scheme, is also changing his tone. He said that BlackRock is studying digital assets and their associated ecosystem, including crypto assets. And Jamie Dimon, during JP Morgan's earnings call, briefly said that the bank was building out some blockchain-type things without getting into more detail on that. But it'll be interesting to see what they do. We're going to hear more details in their investor day next month.
Do we know, sort of, as you said, for a long time, the banks had a different tone on this. Do we know what changed to make them, create this sudden interest for them in blockchain?
Well, it's still very much in the early stages for institutional investors, but one thing that they kept bringing up was client demand. So it's kind of forcing their hand on this, and they have no choice but to foray into digital assets and capitalize on some of those opportunities that are out there. So interesting to see what they'll do in the coming months and years with blockchain.
Alexandra Simonova, good to see you. Good to see you in person.
Good to see
or
you
as they say in real life, IR.
Apa yang akan terjadi di Indonesia? Akan ada banyak platform terdesentralisasi tumbuh di semua sektor. Akan ada lebih dari 100 juta penduduk Indonesia tidak menggunakan rekening bank untuk transaksi bisnis. Platform digital currency dan cryptocurrency akan mendominasi berbagai layanan transaksi.
Di masa depan aset digital dapat melampaui aset lembaga perbankan. Saat ini aset digital terus mengalami peningkatan yang signifikan di dunia. Orang mulai bahas kripto dan blockchain yang dulunya skeptis. Jadi ini adalah suatu informasi yang berguna. Terkadang kita tidak pernah menyadarinya. Suatu yang awalnya gratis dapat membuat kita menjadi bebas financial. Namun perlu digarisbawahi, ini tentu memerlukan proses waktu. Di sini Pi Network yang dimaksud adalah tanpa menggunakan modal. Namun berpeluang berjaya ke depan. Sekian, terima kasih, salam Pioneer berjaya.